Good day everyone. Today I'll be showing you practically how to change iPhone 7 Plus charging port. Please don't forget to like, share, comment. Don't forget to turn on your notification so when next we drop a new video, you will get notified. Thank you. So you take your time to open the phone. You bend it to the right corner because of the flex. Alright, you open it gently. Then first thing, you unclip your battery. Before you unclip the screen, okay, find a place and keep the screen. Then you now open the panel. You remove the speaker so it will be easy to change the charging flex. You take your time, you find a place and keep the screws. Alright, that's the old charging flex. You remove it, you put the new one. Okay, this is the new charging flex that we are about to change. Just watch carefully. Look at how I'm changing it. It's very easy. You take your time and fix it. Alright, that's the new charging flex. You take your time, you couple it well. You fix everything well. Alright. Okay. I finished fixing the charging ports. Now fix the screen and test it. Very easy. Just be looking at the screen. I want to test it now. Okay, you see, it's charging now. So it is very easy to fix. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.